Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel The Cooking Stories. In this video, I'll be showing how to make this delicious cheesy pasta pizza at home. So let's begin. To make the pizza dough, first take half cup warm water in a bowl and to it add 1 tablespoon sugar. Mix this well until the sugar is semi-dissolved. Now add 2 teaspoons of instant yeast and mix well. Make sure that the water is warm and it is not too hot or too cold, else the yeast won't get activated. Cover this mixture and keep aside for 10 minutes until the yeast activates just like this. Now in another bowl take 3 cups of all-purpose flour or maida, add salt to taste and mix well. Add the activated yeast mixture and keep mixing. Now gradually add half cup warm water and knead the dough. The dough will be sticky initially, but it will come together as you knead it. Transfer the dough to a plate or the kitchen countertop and keep kneading. You'll have to knead the dough for about 10 to 15 minutes. So keep stretching the dough and kneading it. After 10 minutes, add 1.5 tablespoon butter and continue kneading for another 10 to 12 minutes. The dough is ready. Transfer it to a bowl and apply some oil on top of it from all the sides. Cover the dough and rest it aside for 40 to 45 minutes or until it doubles up in size. To boil the pasta, heat enough water and add some oil to it. Add some salt and 1 cup of pasta. Here I am using penne pasta, but you can use any variety of pasta. Boil the pasta until completely cooked. Drain the water out of the pasta immediately and keep the pasta aside. To make the pasta sauce, heat a pan and add 1 tablespoon oil and 1 tablespoon butter to it. Add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic and saute for a few seconds. Now add 1 small onion finely chopped and saute for 30 seconds. Now here I am adding the tomato puree made out of 2 large tomatoes. So basically just add 2 large tomatoes to a mixer grinder jar and make a puree out of them. Now here I am adding 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder to add some spice as well as color. Cook the puree for 2 minutes and now add some salt to taste, 1 teaspoon oregano, 1 teaspoon red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon mixed herbs and mix well. Now cook the sauce for about 5 to 6 minutes until it thickens. 5 to 6 minutes are done and our pasta sauce is ready. To make the creamy mayo sauce, in another bowl take half cup plain mayonnaise and add 1/4 cup tomato ketchup to it. Mix well and creamy mayo sauce is ready. "45 minutes are done and our pizza dough has doubled in size. Punch the dough a bit and knead it again for 30 seconds approximately. Now divide the dough into 2 equal portions. So this recipe will give you 2 pizzas. Tuck the 2 dough balls and keep them aside. I'll be using an 8-inch pizza plate for this recipe. Dust some dry flour or maida onto the pizza plate. Take a dough ball and flatten it out evenly onto the pizza plate. Keep dusting with flour if required. Pinch the edges of the pizza base as shown. Now prick the pizza base using a fork. Spread half of the prepared pasta sauce onto the pizza base. Now spread the prepared mayo sauce on top of it. Add mozzarella cheese as per choice. I have used about half cup of mozzarella cheese per pizza in this recipe. Now place the boiled pasta randomly on top of the cheese. I'll be using sliced tomatoes and capsicums as toppings on this pizza, but you can use toppings of your choice. Topping the pizza up with some more mayo sauce and the prepared pasta sauce. Now using the back of your spoon, smudge the sauces a little bit. This gives the pizza a really good look once baked. Some more mozzarella cheese on top of the pizza. Bake the pizza in a preheated oven or OTG at 200 degrees for about 12 to 15 minutes. Keep checking after 12 minutes. Our delicious cheesy pasta pizza is baked. Sprinkle some chili flakes, oregano and mixed herbs for added taste. Cut this pasta pizza into slices immediately and serve hot. I hope you liked this delicious pasta pizza recipe. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more such recipes. Bye bye.